Saving money while living in a hostel can be very challenging, but entirely doable with some smart strategies. Here are a few tips to help you stretch your budget. Now, cook your own meals. Number one, many hostels have communal kitchens. Prepare your own meals instead of relying on expensive takeout or dining out. Plan simple, budget-friendly recipes that, require minimal ingredients. Minimal ingredients. Number two, limit eating out, and I'll put it all in the description. So when you eat out, opt for local street food or affordable eateries. This way you can enjoy the local cuisine without breaking the bank. Number three, take advantage of free activities. Hostels are often free events. They often organize free events. So basically, also tours and activities. Participate in these to explore your surroundings without additional cost. Number four, utilize discounts. Look for student discounts or hostel membership deals for attractions, transportation, and activities. Always ask if there are special rates available. Number five, share expenses. Team up with fellow travelers for shared expenses like taxis, groceries, or guided tours. This can significantly lower individual costs. Number six, limit unnecessary purchases. Avoid impulse buys and focus on essentials. Stick to a budget for entertainment and souvenirs. By implementing these strategies, you can enjoy your hostel experience while keeping your finances in check.